From Great Taste of Las Vegas, we are cooking oatmeal and old banana pancake. Healthy and tasty. About 1 cup of oat, a little bit more. Then add some milk to soften it. Just about enough to cover the oat. Then we put a little bit of, just shake a little bit of salt in there. Oat need milk, some water to soften it, so put enough to the level of the oat. And then use the old banana. We have 3 of them. It's a good way to use old banana for this. And use this to crush the banana. I have some boiled sweet potato here. We'll put it in. 3/4 cup of sweet potato. And then we're going to put some pineapple can, about 2 tablespoons. These are banana and pineapple. Make it sweet enough. You don't need sugar for this, okay? And for goodness, we add Greek non-fat yogurt in it. So we have 2 tablespoons. See, you don't want to put too much milk in yet until all of the ingredients are in, and you want to see how the batter look. The consistency should be good. 2 eggs. And then we mix it in good with this potato masher. To mix the eggs in with everything here. That's a lot of liquid. About 3/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually pour it in and then stir it to make sure they mix well. Use it as a spoon, a big spoon, swirl around. Add in a tablespoon of oil. Mix it again like a big spoon. First, on medium heat, we'll put some oil into here. A ladle of oil to cook a pancake. We wait for the oil to warm up a little. We make a little size, a dollar size pancake. It's so cute and tasty. About a minute on each side, or even 40 seconds. Watch out, they cook really fast. Didn't put too much oil in here.
Golden.
It's still golden. Use a ladle, put in some. Check the heat often to see, make sure that you don't overcook your pancake, okay? So this is your dollar size pancake, big pancake, regular pancake, medium pancake, make with no flour, just cornstarch, bananas, and sweet potato, oat. So they're all healthy ingredient here for you. You can add some roasted coconut on top as well. Here your gorgeous pancake. Hope you enjoy your healthy sweet potato oat pancake.